Okay, so just now I have received my brand new GoPro Hero 9. As you can see, I already have GoPro Hero 7, which I bought 2 years back. I'm upgrading to Hero 9 mainly for two reasons, which I'll tell you later. But first, let's unbox this beauty, right? Yeah. Ooh. So there you go. That's Hero 9. Looks fantastic, isn't it? And okay, this is one thing extra that I have ordered, the remote, because I'll need this very badly when I'm out on rides. This is the bill, I think. Yep. Okay, let's keep this aside for a moment. We don't need this anymore. Now let's keep it side by side. Here you have Hero 7 and here you have the brand new Hero 9. Okay, let's see ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ. I got a better deal in this. So I got 1 year GoPro subscription, as well as you can see, these 3 as well. So this was not there initially as part of their package. I badly wanted to upgrade to Hero 9 because I initially started looking out for the remote because I was having so much of difficulty recording and stopping whenever I was riding in HP curves, right? This box looks so cool. Good for my riding adventures. Actually, it's kind of rugged one. So here, let me show you how it looks like. So what do we have here? So this is the one I was talking about. This I got it as a bundle package, the official GoPro website. Here we have the one that you can use to fix them. Let me keep it nicely here. Then the hooks, of course. I have these from my GoPro Hero 7 itself. This one, I have these already stuck at my helmet, so I don't know how much of use this will be for me. This is interesting. This is a magnetic I don't know what to call in English. So you can use this to hook it up to your helmet or anywhere, and this is pretty much tight. It has a very good grip. It's too strong. See? Yeah. Then two batteries. Again, this I got it as a package itself. One of the main reasons I ordered all this together. And then you have the charging cable here. Now the main guy. How do I open this, man? Yeah, here you go. Hero 9. Is that all? Okay, and then you have got these subscription. Okay, one thing that I see that is missing when I compare this with Hero 7 is, when I bought Hero 7 I got this kind of a stand, you know. So this stand, it was easy for me to hook it up to my car, and it was very good. I have it, I still have it fixed in my car back in India, but I would have loved if they had shipped the similar one with this so that I could have used it here as well, but unfortunately I don't see it here. So if you see, this has come with an inbuilt one. So but for Hero 7, let me bring it to you. You see, for Hero 7 I had to buy this one, an extra one, which is really good, and you have got this hooks over there outside. So another thing, 32 GB card, you know, it doesn't make sense because this is a 5K camera, and 32 GB card is of actually not much of a use when you think of 5K resolution. So I already have my 128 GB card with my Hero 7, so probably I'm going to reuse that, and this I can keep it as a buffer. Let me see what they have got here. They have got instruction set, GoPro stickers as usual, subscription, FAQs. Okay, so next I'll show you how to connect it. So let's try. I don't know if the batteries are charged, but let's see if I can open this up. Oh, it's super tight. Okay, where's the battery? These batteries, they're huge compared to my Hero 7 ones. Damn, the battery has some life. So here's the power button. Let me try to turn it on. Yes, it does. It's turning on. Let's say English. Of course, I agree. I will need the GPS, yes. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. I already have the app installed in my mobile, but I'm going to skip it for the next setup. Share your media. I'll set up it for now. I will do the setup later. Okay, continue. So this is pretty much it. I think you can do the setup by yourself once you do it, but it looks nice. You see the front display as well. I can see partly myself there. Okay, so I will turn this off for a moment. It's taking some time. Bit slow, huh? There is no memory card by the way yet. Still powering off and done. So the next one is, the reason I had a look at this, I got to know about the offer, is this remote control, which I thought I will use it in my Hero 7 itself, but then I got to know about the offer, and I got to know about some of the cool features that Hero 9 was offering. So the main thing that I was actually, where is it, man? Let me open it up here. Yeah, the main thing that attracted me to Hero 7 was the hyper smooth video stabilization technique that Hero 9 has inbuilt in the camera itself. So and you know, I'm sure you must have crossed across many moments where you want to capture something, and the moment you press record, boom, gone. The moment has passed actually. So as per GoPro Hero 9, I mean Hero GoPro official website, they have this feature where it will capture 30-second clip just before you press the record button. So in Hero 7, the problem is the moment I press record button, it takes about 5 seconds to start capturing actually. But what Hero 9 offers is, you press the record button and there you have got 30 seconds of video just before you have started capturing. You have started press the record button. So that pretty much makes sure that you have the moment in your camera that you are actually looking for. So that's one of the main reason that I bought this. I am yet to try it out whether it actually works or not, so I cannot guarantee you that, but this is what that pulled me towards Hero 9. So that goes there, and this is the remote control kit. I need to check and see how I can pair it. The remote control here. I can hook this up in my motorbike handle, and then I believe this is for charging the battery. I hope it's a rechargeable battery, otherwise I will be again spending for this. So you have got a lot of options here. So in this display you would probably be able to see whether the camera is recording, or how much time the recording is going on for, as well as the mode your camera is. So this is all I have, right? I'm using this remote for the first time, so again, this is all out of my research. I don't know whether it's actually true. So I believe that's all I have in this. Yeah, that's all. The box is empty. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you. This is my all GoPro Hero 9. I'm waiting to use this on my motorbike rides. Let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching.